Hi children, good morning. How are you? Welcome back to our EVS online class. Children, what we studied in the last class? Did you remember that? Yes, we studied about spices, oil seeds, milk. What are the spices, oil seeds and milk? What is the first one? Yes. First one, why do we add spices to our food? Why do we add spices to our food? Who knows this answer? Please answer it. Yes, spices give flavor and add to the taste. All students say loudly. What is the answer? Yes, spices give flavor and add to the taste. Second one, what are spices most commonly used? What are the spices most commonly used? Who knows this answer? Do you answer? Yes, please say. Yes, the commonly used spices are turmeric, ginger and garlic. What are they? Turmeric, ginger and garlic. Third one, what are the common seeds we use as spices? What are the common seeds we use as spices? Answer is coriander, cumin, pepper and cardamom. What are they? Coriander, cumin, pepper and cardamom are the common seeds we use as spices. Last one, which are the common oils we use for cooking? Which are the common oils we use for cooking? Who knows this answer? Do you answer? What is the answer? Please say loudly. Yes, what are they? Coconut oil, groundnut oil, mustard oil, olive oil, palm oil, soybean oil and sunflower oil. Once again I say coconut oil, groundnut oil, mustard oil, olive oil, palm oil, soybean oil and sunflower oil. Children, did you write and study these answers? Yes, very good. Children, today we are going to discuss about eggs, meat and fish. What are they? Eggs, meat and fish. Children, did you eat eggs? Yes. We keep birds for egg and meat. We keep birds for egg and meat. Thus birds are called poultry. Thus birds are called poultry. Farmers keep chicken, ducks or geese in their poultry farm. Eggs is a rich source of protein. Proteins are essential for growth. Means eggs contain vitamins and minerals that are necessary for the brain and nervous system to function effectively. Eggs contain all the nutrients that the body needs to produce energy. Egg is a rich source of protein. Proteins are essential for growth. Children, what is the importance of proteins? Do you answer? Yes, protein is important for growth and development in children. Your body needs protein to stay healthy and work the way it should. Our muscles, our organs and our immune system are made up mostly of protein. Once again I say, protein is important for growth and development in children. Our muscles, our organs and our immune system are made up mostly of protein. All students can understand about What is the importance of proteins? Some people eat meat also. Some people eat meat also. Which are the animals we depend for meat? Children, do you know what is the answer? Which are the animals we depend for meat? Yes, cow, goat, buffalo, yes, chicken, yes, ducks, etc. Meat contains fats and proteins. Meat gives fats and proteins. Fats and proteins are essential for health. Fats and proteins are essential for health. Means meat is animal flesh that is eaten as food. Humans have hunted and killed animals for meat. Once again I say, meat is animal flesh that is eaten as food. Humans have hunted and killed animals for meat. Meat are great source of protein. Meat are great source of protein. They also provide lots of other nutrients your body needs, vitamins, especially B12 and essential fatty acids. Once again I say, meat are great source of protein. They also provide lots of other nutrients your body needs, vitamins, especially B12 and essential fatty acids. Fish is also an important food item. Did you like fish? Which fish you like most? Students, which fish do you like most? Yes. Fish is also an important food item. Fish is also an important food item. Make a list of fish we eat. Children, do you know which items we eat? Which fish items we eat? Make a list of fish we eat for food. Make a list of fish we use for food. What are they? Shark, prawn, sardine, salmon, tuna, etc. What are they? Shark. What is the meaning of shark? Shark means, do you know what means shark? Shark means straw. Prawn means, what is the meaning of prawn? Prawn means chemmin. Sardine means matti. Tuna means chura. We get fish from sea, rivers, lakes and ponds. Children, where do we get fish from? Where do we get fish from? Yes, we get fish from sea, rivers, lakes and ponds. We get fish from sea, rivers, lakes and ponds. Fishermen catch fish from rivers or sea using fishing nets. Nowadays, ships and boats are used for catching fish in a large scale. Fish give our body fats, proteins and vitamins. What give fish to our body? Yes, fish give our body fats, proteins and vitamins. All students say loudly, what give a fish to our body? Yes, fats, proteins and vitamins. Means fish is filled with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins such as D and B2. Fish is rich in calcium and phosphorus and a great source of minerals. Once again I say, fish is filled with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins such as D and B2. Fish is rich in calcium and phosphorus and a great source of minerals. What give fish to our body? Yes, fish give our body fats, proteins and vitamins. People breed fish in ponds, lakes, etc. Thus, bodies of water where fish are kept are known as fish farms. Fish farms means water bodies where fish are kept are known as. People breed fish in ponds, lakes and rivers. Thus, bodies of water where fish are kept. Thus, bodies of water bodies where fish are kept are known as fish farms. Children, we should eat all kinds of food. We should eat all kinds of food. Food provides us energy to do work. Food provides us energy to do work. Helps us to grow and stay healthy. Food protects us from diseases. Food protects us from diseases. Children, did you eat different kinds of food? Yes, all students, all children, we should eat all kinds of food. We should eat all kinds of food means vegetables, fruits, spices, milk, egg, fish and meat. All students, we should eat all kinds of food. Food provides us energy to do work and help us to grow, stay healthy. Food protects us from diseases. Diseases means illness, അസുഖങ്ങൾ എന്നും ഫുഡ് നമ്മളെ സംരക്ഷിക്കുന്നു. Each type of food performs different functions in our body. To stay healthy, we are advised to eat food which contains a combination of many types. Some food can give us energy while others can make us grow. Some food can give us energy but others can make us grow. A combination of essential foods is called a balanced diet. It is generally believed that we are what we eat. Here are one point. Why should we eat all kinds of food? Children, why should we eat all kinds of food? Yes, food provides us energy to do work, help us to grow and stay healthy. Once again I say, food provides us energy to do work, helps us to grow and stay healthy. Food protects us from diseases. Food protects us from diseases. So, we should eat all kinds of food. Now, all students listen to me very carefully. Why should we eat all kinds of food? All students say loudly. What is the answer? Why should we eat all kinds of food? Yes, food provides us energy to do work, helps us to grow and stay healthy. Food protects us from diseases. Food protects us from diseases. So, we should eat all kinds of food. We should eat all kinds of food. All students can understand why should we eat all kinds of food? Yes. Children, now I give some homework for you. Write in your EVS notebook. First one, what is the importance of proteins? What is the importance of proteins? Second one, why should we eat all kinds of food? Why should we eat all kinds of food? Now I wind up this class. I hope you can understand this class. If you have any doubt, you can ask through WhatsApp. Thank you.